Check out this new 2014 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 17 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 22 on the highway. This Silverado 1500 boasts a 4.3-liter engine, and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include the 1WT Preferred Equipment Group, GVWR, 7,100 pounds, 3221 kilograms, Silver Ice Metallic, Jet Black Dark Ash, Cloth Seat Trim, Trailer Brake Controller, Integrated Engine, 4.3L Flex Fuel EcoTech 3 with Active Fuel Management, Direct Injection and Variable Valve Timing, Transmission, 6-speed automatic, electronically controlled LED, emissions, Connecticut, Delaware, Maine, Maryland, Massachusetts, New Jersey, New York, Oregon, Pennsylvania, Rhode Island, Vermont and Washington state requirements, WT Convenience Package and the Trailering Package. Call 888-905-2211 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.